Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, guys, today we're going to talk about tap swap. Okay, tap swap airdrop. Um, I think since yesterday, tap swap is no longer opening here in Nigeria. I think based on maybe our government issues, I don't know. A lot of news is going on that our Jagaban has banned tap swap in Nigeria, which have come to big issue to a lot of force using tap swap. And some people have mined over 20 million tap swap of the coin, and some have mined over 10 million, and some I think more than even 50 million if I'm not mistaken. But now they can't even access it, and some have not even linked their wallet to it. So there are a lot of news, a lot of stories about this particular app. So today I want to show you guys how you can actually use this tap swap with no issues, how you can link your accounts and the rest. So here is my own tap swap. You can see here, and I believe if you are being restricted, while load is going to be showing some error. If you are not a robot or whatever, checking, and end of the day it won't load. So you can see here my tap swap has opened, and you can see there that it's counting, keep on increasing even without me typing on the screen. So it continue earning for me. So but before then, let me show you guys how to actually link your all right, let me show you guys how to be able to log in before we can even go on any other thing. You can see here, if I'm typing now, I'm earning. So now I'm going to close my Telegram account. I'm going to close my Telegram, then turn off my VPN. Okay, so the secret is that I'm using VPN. So now let me open Telegram. So now I'm opening my Telegram. You can see here my Telegram has loaded up. So let me scroll to the type swap. Okay, so this is type swap. Then let me click start now. So I've clicked start now. Let's see if the app is actually going to launch. So yeah, this is a problem that you come encounter if you're in Nigeria trying to open tap swap. It won't work, it won't open. You see this error, continue loading, and it won't work. The thing is that tap swap is no longer working as in Nigeria. When you detect your IP as in Nigeria, it won't open. So how to solve this problem is to use a VPN. So you can use any VPN of your choice, but me, I'm using Windscribe. So I'm using Windscribe VPN. As you can see here, I'm using Windscribe VPN. So you can decide to use my link in the video description to earn more data. Okay, when you use my link, you are going to earn more data also. You can see it here, there's the link. So you just use the link and earn more data. Okay guys, so let me turn on. I'm using US for my location, Los Angeles, and you can use any location in US or Germany, even Ghana. If you can use Ghana, it will work. Use any other neighbor Africa country, but why not just use US and other Europe country? So now let's try and see. You can see this error here, and now immediately it opens. Okay, so you can see here tap swap is working for me. Yes guys, so now what is the next thing I want to show you guys? Now I've shown you guys how to actually go and log in with your tap swap. So now you want to go to this tax, go to that tax session, and then complete your tax. Okay, so make sure you link your wallets. So click on link wallets. Okay, so now I've completed this already. So this up here, I see a link. On that particular link, click that link and go and download that application.
Incoming call from Jamaica identified by Truecaller.
So click that link. I'm sorry for the disturb of the call. So click that link and then download the app. So when you download the app, register the app, then you come here and then click connect again. It will show several times for connecting. It will show several times, but continue trying it. make sure your VPN is on. Continue trying it until it show authorize, and when it show authorize, then click authorize and follow the process, and it will be connected. So when it's connected, you can come back here and then continue by filling other tasks that you meet up here. So guys, that is what you need to do. So because you need to get ready when the launch comes up, so you can be able to withdraw your tap swap and not waiting till eternity, guys. So make sure you prepare yourself and get ready. You see, when it comes to AirDrop, is first come first serve, and AirDrop, you make more money when you invite you make more money when you are the person to sell at the first stage. Do you guys understand me? When you sell at the earlier stage, you make more money. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you connect all the necessary things you need to connect, and then wait for that launch date. So that is what I have to share with you guys today. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you smash the subscribe button and then turn on the notification so you can receive an update whenever I drop new video. I go by the name DS Web Code. So where you get all the source code that you need online. Tell us about the source code, let us know about it, bring it, and we'll crack it and nod it for you. Nothing is up. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.